Women are now officially banned from wearing a full face veil.
That certainly we would limit all sorts of things that people do for their religious beliefs because we don't agree with it.
My name is Zahra Al-Alawi. I've been wearing the hijab for the past 20 years or so. Many people may believe that women who wear the hijab wear it because they are forced or that they have no say in the matter. We as Muslims follow the Quran. So, does the Quran actually command women to wear the hijab? I wanted to know exactly what the Quran has said in regards to modesty and the physical veil. Chapter 24, verse number 31, you see the Quran talking about and commanding women to wear the physical veil. You see the word khumur mentioned. Khumur is plural for khimar. The word khimar by definition means a piece of cloth that covers the head. So it's clear that the Quran does command women in wearing the head coverings and extending it to cover their heads and chests. If we look at another verse, chapter 33, verse number 59, the word jalabib is mentioned. Jalabib is the plural for jilbab, which means a loose outer garment. This means that the Islamic dress code, as described by the Holy Quran for women, is not just only the head covering, but it's also a loose garment which conceals the body. Any loose outer covering which does not reveal the body shape, be it an abaya, a loose shirt, or a loose dress, will do. So the combination of the head covering and the loose outer garment is the physical commandment of hijab, which the Quran clearly states. I have not been forced to wear the hijab. I truly believe in the commandments that the Quran has set down to us, but also I believe in the benefits of hijab. The hijab has freed me from the shackles of society. I'm no longer viewed for my physical appearance, but my inner intellect and my inner appearance. So hijab is my choice and it's my right.